Hi, I'm Sankalp, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a button with gradient border. Let's take a container for the tutorial. Now, add a button widget. Let's change the background color and text color. Also change the font size. Let's set the padding to 25 and border radius 10. Now, add another container just above the button. And drag the button in it. Set the width to max content. Set the border radius as 12 pixels. Now, add the gradient background. You can see that the background becomes the border of the button. You can adjust the container padding as the border width. You can also add the hover effect background colors. For hover animation, you can play with containers transform options. Add the hover colors to the button to make it more cool. And if you want more tutorials like this, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.